Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in a marketer's toolkit, emotional appeal. Whether you're selling products, services, or ideas, tapping into your audience's emotions can create a deep, lasting connection. But how do you do it effectively? That's what we're here to find out. Let's jump in. First, let's define what we mean by emotional appeal in marketing. Emotional appeal is all about connecting with your audience on a deeper level by triggering their emotions. Instead of just presenting facts or features, you're engaging with the feelings and values that drive consumer behavior. Things like happiness, fear, love, pride, and even nostalgia. By tapping into these emotions, you can create more impactful and memorable marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience and inspire action. So, why do emotions matter so much in marketing? Well, research shows that people often make purchasing decisions based on emotions rather than logic. Even if a product is practical or useful, it's the emotional connection that drives the final decision. Emotions can also make your brand more relatable and human, helping to build trust and loyalty over time. Think about your favorite brands. Chances are, you associate them with a particular feeling or experience. That's the power of emotional appeal in action. Now, let's talk about the different types of emotional appeal you can use in your marketing. There are several emotions you can tap into, depending on your goals and audience. Here are some of the most common. 1. Happiness. Positive emotions like joy and contentment can make your audience associate your brand with positive experiences. 2. Fear. Using fear appeal, like FOMO, fear of missing out, can drive urgency and action. Just be careful not to overdo it. 3. Anger. This might sound surprising, but anger can be powerful when advocating for change or addressing injustices. 4. Sadness. Sad stories or images can create empathy and connection, especially in cause-related marketing. 5. Surprise. Catching your audience off guard can make your message more memorable and shareable. Each of these emotions can be used to craft a compelling narrative that aligns with your brand's message and values. So, how do you actually incorporate emotional appeal into your marketing? Here are a few steps to get you started. 1. Know your audience. Understand what makes your audience tick. What are their values, desires, and pain points? The better you know your audience, the more effectively you can target their emotions. 2. Craft a story. Storytelling is one of the most powerful ways to engage emotions. Create a narrative that reflects the emotions you want to evoke, whether it's a customer success story, a behind-the-scenes look at your brand, or a relatable situation. 3. Use visuals and music. Images, videos, and music can enhance emotional appeal. Choose visuals and soundtracks that complement the mood you're trying to create. 4. Keep it authentic. Authenticity is key. Consumers can tell when emotions are being manipulated, so make sure your emotional appeal feels genuine and aligns with your brand's core values. 5. Test and refine. Finally, always test your campaigns to see how they resonate with your audience. Use feedback to refine your approach and improve future campaigns. Emotional appeal is a game changer in marketing, helping you connect with your audience on a deeper level and drive real results. By understanding your audience, crafting authentic stories, and using the right visuals and music, you can create powerful, emotionally charged campaigns that resonate and inspire action. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more marketing tips and insights. If you have any emotional marketing campaigns you love, share them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.